Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Eagles plates and napkins is probably one of the most sought-after items for any die-hard Philadelphia Eagles fan looking to elevate their game day experience or host the ultimate watch party, offering a fantastic way to showcase team spirit while serving up delicious snacks and treats to fellow fans. These aren't just ordinary disposable tableware, they are a statement piece, designed to immerse everyone in the electrifying atmosphere of Lincoln Financial Field, making every bite feel like a touchdown celebration and turning a simple gathering into an unforgettable event worthy of a Super Bowl win. Number 5. Masterpieces NFL Philadelphia Eagles Playing Cards. Show your team spirit with this officially licensed deck of NFL playing cards. Perfect for game nights, tailgates, or poker, it's a must-have for any fan. Each card in this deck features custom football designs, showcasing your favorite team's logo on the back. The face cards and jokers are uniquely illustrated to celebrate your team. Crafted from high-quality cardstock, this deck offers superior durability and a great feel. You can be sure they'll hold up for countless games. Measuring 2.5 by 3.5 inches, these cards are a standard index size. This ensures they fit perfectly with all your existing playing card accessories. Looking for the perfect gift for a football fan? This deck is ideal for birthdays, holidays, stocking stuffers, or any football-themed celebration. Bring the excitement of the game to your family game night. These cards are designed for adults and kids alike, offering fun for everyone. What we like. This deck is officially licensed and features custom team designs on every card. If you're looking for a way to show off your Eagles pride during game nights or casual get-togethers, this is the perfect choice. Its premium quality ensures it will last through many hands of poker or other card games. What people say. Features New Orleans Saints team colors and logo, making it a great collectible for any Saints fan. Made with thick, coated cardstock, ensuring long-lasting durability even after repeated use. The colors pop, the cards feel smooth and solid, and they've got that black and gold swagger every fan loves. Number 4. Masterpieces NFL Philadelphia Eagles Jigsaw Puzzle. Get ready for an exciting challenge with this unique jigsaw puzzle. Its randomly cut pieces offer a fresh experience every time you play. This puzzle is perfect for your next game night. It's designed to provide hours of engaging entertainment for everyone. Enjoy your puzzle with peace of mind. It's made from recycled materials and uses non-toxic, soy-based inks for environmentally friendly fun. Designed for adult fans, this puzzle offers a fun yet challenging experience. It's a great way to test your skills and enjoy your favorite team. While challenging for adults, it's also a wonderful activity for families to complete together. It's best suited for children aged 14 and up when done as a group. We proudly stand behind our products. As an American puzzle and game company, we ensure your complete enjoyment with every puzzle. What we like. This puzzle offers a unique and challenging experience with its randomly cut pieces and is made from environmentally friendly, recycled materials. If you enjoy a good mental workout and want to feel good about your purchase, this is the puzzle for you. It's perfect for a quiet afternoon or a family activity where everyone can contribute to solving the Eagles-themed image. What people say. The puzzle pieces are very sturdy. Nice graphics. Well-made sturdy puzzle. Good quality puzzle and very challenging. Number 3. American Greetings Football Napkins. Get ready for the big game with these football-themed napkins. They're perfect for any football party or Super Bowl celebration. Featuring a fun, game-on design on a chalkboard background, these napkins add a festive touch to your table. The field pattern around the border completes the look. Each napkin is made with 2-ply construction for durability. They measure 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches when folded, making them a practical choice. These are ideal for any football-themed party, from casual get-togethers to Super Bowl watch parties. They're a winning addition to your party supplies. Make your next football event a memorable one with these festive napkins. They bring the excitement of the game right to your party. What we like. These napkins feature a fun, game-on chalkboard design with a football field border. If you're hosting a casual football-themed party, Super Bowl watch party, or just want to add a festive touch to your snacks, these are a great addition. They are perfect for keeping things clean while immersing your guests in the game day spirit. What people say. Perfect for a party or banquet. We used them as dessert plates, and they were sturdy enough for that. This plate holds a big amount of food. It showed well on TV. These party-sized paper plates were great as appetizer plates for my son's first birthday. They were sturdier than I expected. Number 2. Gatherfun Football Party Supplies Kit for $36. Get ready for the ultimate football celebration. This kit is perfect for any game day or birthday party, ensuring you have everything you need for a winning event. Our package includes 36 premium quality paper plates, featuring unique football-themed designs. They're perfect for serving all your favorite game day snacks and treats. Designed with the football field in mind, these plates bring the excitement of the game right to your party. They're ideal for creating a memorable atmosphere for tailgates and celebrations. Crafted from sturdy, thickened cardboard, these trays are laminated, waterproof, and oil-resistant. You can enjoy your snacks without worrying about messy spills or stains. These trays boast a large capacity, perfect for holding everything from sandwiches and hot dogs to fruits and salads. They can conveniently accommodate both hot and cold food items. These disposable trays are ideal for a wide range of events, including theme parties, team celebrations, birthdays, picnics, and more. They are a convenient choice for both indoor and outdoor gatherings. What we like. This kit provides 36 premium quality plates and trays with a football field design, featuring a waterproof and oil-resistant surface. If you're planning a tailgate or a larger party and need sturdy, reliable serving ware for a variety of snacks and meals, these are ideal. Their large capacity and durability make them perfect for holding everything from hot dogs to fries without worry. What people say. Hold a lot and very durable. Sturdy. Recommend. They are large enough for hot dogs and nachos. People love them. Very sturdy to hold loaded nachos. Number 1. Gatherfun Football Party Supplies Kit. Get ready for the ultimate football party. This all-in-one kit is designed to serve up to 24 guests, making your celebration a guaranteed win. Our comprehensive set includes dinner plates, dessert plates, cups, and napkins, all featuring a vibrant football field design. It's perfect for birthdays or any game day gathering. Create an immersive gaming atmosphere with our touchdown tablecloth and banner. It's the perfect way to bring the excitement of the football field to your party. Spend less time washing dishes and more time cheering with your friends. This disposable tableware set makes cleanup a breeze, so you can fully enjoy the celebration. Our partyware is made from durable, thick cardboard and printed with eco-friendly inks. You can serve all your favorite game day snacks with confidence. From discussing the rules on the tablecloth to cheering for touchdowns with themed cups, every detail is designed for maximum fun. Make your next football event unforgettable. What we like. This comprehensive party pack serves 24 to 25 guests and includes everything from dinner plates and dessert plates to cups, napkins, a banner, and a touchdown tablecloth, all with a football field theme. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one solution to decorate and serve for a birthday, game day, or tailgate party, this set will save you time and hassle. It's perfect for creating a cohesive and festive atmosphere without the need for separate purchases. What people say. Very colorful. Everything you see in the pictures for a great quality will definitely be able to use in the future for other parties. The banner is not cheap and you don't have to put it together, a huge plus for me. The table covers are thick, durable. We actually left the one on the table an extra week or so, no wear or tear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.